Right, estimation is easy when you know how. Let me show you how to score the big marks without overcomplicating things. Now, when you're dividing by a decimal, it's easier when you've got the same decimal place on each side. So I've made it a little bit harder for us than the actual question. Now, if we times this out, it makes it a lot easier when we're dealing with whole numbers. So I've times each side by 10, which gave me 80 over 4. I can then divide 80 by 4 to make it easier again, which gives us 20 over 1, which basically shows us we've got 20 wholes. Therefore, answering our question. The answer is 20. Our next question is a little more complicated when it comes to estimation. So we need to estimate to one significant figure this particular sum. Now remember, significant figure is the first number above 0. It doesn't work the same as decimal place. I've put it underneath the number here in terms of what's the first, what's the second, what's the third. Now our first significant place is going to be in the tens column, which is 20. I'm then looking at the next part of the question, which is the 37. We look at the second significant figure to work out our decider, which rounds this number up to 40. Let's look at 19. We'll do a similar process where we're looking at the second significant figure to make sure we've rounded it up correctly. Now that we've got all of our numbers rounded to the right point, we can now simplify it to find out our estimation. So we're going to do 20 times by 40. Got to put my decimal point in, divided by 2. Starting with the top bit first to make it easier for ourselves, we've got 800 divided by 2, which then therefore gives us 400, and that's your answer.